Hey friends, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much to each and every new subscriber that has joined us. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my world. So today we are going to make a banana bread, and the type of banana bread we are going to make today is chocolate cashew nut banana bread. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I'm going to need bananas. I'm going to use 4 bananas for this recipe, all-purpose flour, chopped cashew nut, chopped dark chocolate, vanilla essence, yogurt, margarine. I'm also going to use 2 eggs, cinnamon, salt, and baking soda. So for the first step, I'm going to mix margarine and sugar together. For this recipe, I'm doing everything, I'm eyeballing. I'm not really measuring. I don't have measuring cups, I don't have measuring spoons, so I'm eyeballing. If you have a hand mixer, you can use that, but for my case, I also don't have a hand mixer, so I'm going to use a fork to mix the ingredients. This is how the mixture looks like. The next step, in a different bowl, I'm going to mash all my bananas together. So if you're still watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below, it really helps my channel. So share with a friend. I like my bananas lumpy. And then I'm going to add the mixture that we had mixed before. Then I'm going to add 2 eggs. What I was doing here is very risky, so I would advise you to break your eggs in a separate bowl, then add the mixture, because this sometimes some eggs have very bad odor or they have blood, so it's safe to break your eggs in a separate bowl, then add them. Do not risk like I did. Then next I'm going to add our yogurt. As I said, am I boiling everything? You can either add yogurt milk or buttermilk, maziwa mala, whichever you prefer. Adding yogurt or maziwa mala or milk, it makes the banana bread very moist. In a separate bowl, I'm going to add all the dry ingredients. For my dry ingredients in this case is flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. So mix that properly. Next, I'm going to add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. So mix it properly. Then next, I'm going to add our vanilla essence. Again, eyeballing. So at this point, I'm going to add the chopped dark chocolate and cashew nut. So I'm going to use a wooden spatula. You can use any type of spatula, and fold them together. So next, I'm going to prepare our baking tins. importance of this stage is to make sure that our banana bread doesn't stick on our baking pin, on our